result for the first part is this brake. We measure the thickness is currently in 4 mm and the surface is still smooth. The condition of piston in good condition, but we have minor scratch from the bottom part. This one is reservoir tank in good condition, master pump cylinder in good condition. So the next one is the oil brake pad. The outer pad is 3.124 mm and the inner pad is 3.480 mm. So we managed to change to the new brake pads. So the outer one is 3.556 mm and the inner one is 3.785. For the next one is braking distance before and after. So the braking distance before, we managed to service the brake pump and the brake oil. So the distance is 2.42 meter. So the after result is 1.27 meter.
For question number 1 in discussion part, poor brake fluid maintenance drastically reduces brake efficiency and safety. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, which lowers its boiling point. During hard braking, the fluid can boil, creating air bubbles. This causes a spongy brake lever, longer stopping distances, and a severe loss of braking power, potentially leading to complete failure and a dangerous situation for the rider. For question number 2, a motorcycle disc brakes open design allows heat to escape easily, preventing performance loss during hard braking. This gives more consistent and powerful stopping than a drum brake. While it allows for easy visual checks, this system requires specific maintenance such as bleeding to remove air from the hydraulic lines. For question number 3, brake bleeding is important because it removes trapped air from the hydraulic system. Air is compressible, unlike brake fluid. When air is present, squeezing the brake lever compresses the air bubbles instead of instantly moving the brake pads. This causes a spongy lever feel, longer stopping distances, and a dangerous loss of braking power. So for the last question number 4, typical signs of a failing brake system include a spongy lever, grinding noises, excessive vibration, or the motorcycle pulling to one side. To react immediately, a rider should stay calm, downshift the gear to use engine braking for deceleration, and pump the brake lever repeatedly to try and build residual pressure, all while steering to a safe stop away from traffic.
Concluding the lab session, we learned that the motorcycle disc brake system is an essential for maintaining vehicle control, rider safety, and overall braking effectiveness. This activity helps us to understand the use of every part such as the brake pads, disc, caliper, hoses, and brake fluid by performing inspection and maintenance to the parts. To avoid brake failure and increase longevity of the component, routine maintenance is crucial. This includes evaluating brake pad wear, observing the brake fluid condition, and make sure the caliper aligns properly, using appropriate tool, proper technique, and following the safety protocol is important whilst doing the hands-on activity. By learning both theoretical knowledge and practical activities, students will be much prepared to maintain and troubleshoot any issue with motorcycle brake systems and make sure it is safe to be operating under various riding conditions.